Brain science expresses quite possibly of the hardest errand for the human brain is gathering yourself that you never again care eating the newly prepared chocolate chip treat. While discouraged can right away work on your mindset and battle the physical impacts of sorrow. It might seem like contending with your accomplice flags the finish of a relationship, however. It could really help couples bond better to know where your heart is, look where your psyche goes when it meanders for a man's emotional well-being. A 5-minute discussion with a delightful young lady is more gainful than a 2 hours of yoga research. Recommends that sluggishness is simply a typical piece of being a teen and doesn't reflect terrible way of behaving at the point when somebody shows up in your fantasies. It implies that that individual is missing you, as indicated by brain science. Two powerful ways of battling melancholy are working out. Furthermore, investing energy with pets. Brain science says excusing isn't neglecting, it's relinquishing the herd at the point when individuals say you've changed. There's a 95% possibility that you recently halted acting how they would have preferred you to never get excessively connected to anybody, except if they additionally feel something similar towards you. Since uneven assumptions can intellectually annihilate you, brain research says never abandon something you truly care about. It's hard to stand by, yet it's more hard to lament.